button. Welcome to the stage, Hurricane. This is judge number 1, Brandon.
Hey, I'm Scott. I'm judge number 2.
Judge number 3, Jason. Here we go.
Beautiful straight line opening position. Pretty girls. I'm interested.
Yeah.
Pretty.
Yeah. Breathe. Breathe through all of this. I think as a group, as you're rehearsing this, if you sort of coordinate your breath together, think, okay, everyone inhale on this moment, exhale on this moment. It's just going to unify you even more in this lyrical movement.
I love the whole beginning and how the straight line unfolded one by one. That was very pretty and interesting choreographically.
I agree.
This is my favorite piece you've done so far.
It's very pretty.
Yeah. Pretty lines, girls. Really stretch that back leg on that soda shot.
Yeah. A nice cannon.
Yeah, that was nice. Love the
Beautiful
costume.
leg in the back of
Yeah,
stage.
that was gorgeous. Just sync up that timing of the cannon with the head roll. Make it a little bit more specific, especially if you're not doing it by yourself.
I like the little 3 quads, the 2 quads of 3. Nice control.
I love that you pressed to a releve out of that,
That
too.
was nice. That push away was very nice.
Ooh, nice jump in the back.
That was beautiful.
Wow.
This is very well rehearsed, very clean.
I
Should
like
be very
this a
proud.
lot. Yeah, this was my favorite piece you've done. That was very good.
Very nice. Yeah, just keep that weight forward over the ball of that foot.
I just have them reach at the end and not do that side tilt.
Good job.
Yeah,
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.